Honorable Kɛɛp Japan. Obi anso wo party ni mo. Near Buse,
you can't do anything. You don't have any strength to beat anybody or do it. You think that my brothers from the north, you are paying them 3,000 to be your bodyguard?
For Ghana 7 TV GH, mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
It's Papa with the moment Antona someone to was near campaign. Bother me.
Me Mama Pounds. Let's listen to this short tape gift from Honorable Kɛɛp Japan. Then we go to a job also.
Therefore, let me condemn these MPP for. Only a bogus MPP. If you answer the MPP for need capital. MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, only need capital. Jimmy pa. Jimmy Jimmy book. MPP for book. They will stay in opposition forever.
Emma me for the besi ebu ya nuguso. Kennedy asem na wo ka no. Mam me emfa ne tala me ka chemu MPP for. Woni NDC for na ye adwuma.
Yeah.
Etimu ka kire se ba me yemu ya nuguso nya campaign a. Bislamo. Mama ye for ya ni two police so. Yema ye ni na ho lesson no 31st ye two wie ekenkan wie ya na ye hu se bibia asi a nyankopɔ ya adom so bi ogidie se bibia asi ba ye ma ye ni da ho ne ye bo abato no ho ba ya Dr. Baumia be ye win agenda na wo hyehyɛ no Canada obi ansuro wo me de me ya ne sa se and people go call ye and kabomu there be but Canada so anya people new. The language, the body language, ni be chase as a MPP feeling. O kasa etina mulusu ye no. Etina mu ko opposition no. Na utimi kwa kasa asante region elusu seat. E dey ama NDC. Na wa babia ufili ase central kola no utimi lufi uni workers 7,000 and plo ye kwaka mo say wo ye party panyini etie nya din eno na adi enya no Honorable Kɛɛp Japan obi anso wo party ni mo ni abuse oye party panyini ye de the man but this time no I say oh ya me boni so atemo MPP asate wege ye tama ma jibi biemo sa kwasi asem ne mo asem papa panyina ase wonwune grassroots for ho ene show opposition yakọ hwe kese a amanfo ye yi omadi ufidi wo mo Adai, I say you're interested in your check. Grassroots for the Nina. Some quasi a seminar solely a naki catchley. Obi nya bema cho. Now who ya bema cheobi? Oh ya bema echeobi. And ya this nabo who by a wo ye ka bema. Who ya bema echeobu people. And ye no. Dr. Baumia, what time I nesabinim? Any blah, as any Bible crackers will be a any blah. We are bay for. I said, bay a bit do a name out the hand people. But they pay for it to be catchlow. Nayo, ya dio. Me, leadership play what part in the mono. Ya di. Na nyakopo ya adom mle me ko hiro nyakopo ya adom na Dr. Wini wi a memo bi me ka chebe se leader we yam one man to aso dabi leader ultimate ka obi anim obi jimi do no bo Kɛɛp Japan okay e dey na party unity e ti be ba
don't worry. You are going to campaign against them.
And get a team black party unity. Huh? obi go kasa ne man warning abanya kasa ne man warning Kennedy wakojira takwa wakojia satewegen one nam wo ye traba wakeka sema fa unity ma party ni party leadership obi akana no atum adai eti abato within MPP no mo pese mo jaye dai enunu adai Kennedy ye ka cha wasatewegen sa mo ase bi odo ani atoto NDC Macho guys so a why you said be have party no ye ka chiro NCBMO the see 2024 no I party executives ebu o manugu so ema NDC firm no Kennedy ene bia obasa akwa aba doctor wo ye dia na nya onye di so ba betwa fa the show obi bre no ho asema wa na nya se wa jimi o eye party ni interest intira Dr. Baumia why ye din no wo pekaba mo party ni wo pese ye win 2028 because wo visioner obetim dia boy 2028 ye be win party no etenya nkwasi asam no mo asam na akeka no ene be ma Dr. Baba so but ubaya wadwese do oni be si Dr. Baumia so a ono bu ka Japan ye die di be si uso a ene die de ma no eso beto kola biem adai first ye bakwa na voice mu nyina pa acho uye party panyini ye pese ye kanta okwa na amafo o da bi ono bu ka Japan de uye party panyini ba se uye amana me nkofo uye amana me nkofo because wonwene grassroots ho bibia mawo NDC bukwa ma unka bi o can be a woman nyina 30 MPP but 30 NDC adai make straight delegate Monto Obama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia our Ben Wase our vision of the poor my Ghana was it delegate to a Baba Winia or Bab Bomo de Shepa ebe Bomu delegate e biba so e biba so maso e biba so na na for so yes sir delegate Monto Obama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no matele obia openka bom obia opasu ndwie obia obenu wase manipa biala obia okata dia obi yes sir delegate me that say voice
yo me that say ja also for that excellent one. Moses, good morning from this side.
Yeah, good evening from my side.
Okay.
Good evening to the listeners. It's unfortunate that I don't understand few to speak, but I'll speak English.
Yeah, feel free. You know you are in the same soup.
Yeah, so I think one of the contributors was I think Mama Pounce. She really spoke my mind. First of all, I think that the leadership of the party compromised everything to put Kenya Japan even on the ballot. If we're in any serious country or if we're a serious party, which we are, but I don't know what is happening, Kenya Japan shouldn't have even qualified to contest for president in Ghana in the first place. He has misconducted himself in a manner that doesn't befit the office of the president.
Moses, you are muted. Moses, are you there? Oh, my nephew or niece is disturbing you. Okay, yeah, let's hear you. You say he has misconducted himself, yeah?
Yes, he has misconducted himself in a manner that doesn't befit the office of the president and shouldn't have even qualified to contest. They should have disqualified him in the voting. That's number one.
Wouldn't that have been biased?
No, that's not bias. This is you know people try to compare him to Donald Trump. He is not the type of Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a different kind of person. He is a different. Donald Trump has been very consistent, and all the things he says about countries ripping America and doing that's his personality. That's how he has been, and he has been consistent about that. He is a real business person who
does Donald Trump even attack his own party members in the manner Ken does?
No.
That?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Exactly.
No.
And Secondly, Kenneth Japan had a brain surgery. You see that his right hand side. No, wait. I'm coming to make a point.
Yeah.
I think the right side, his both leg and hand has weakness. He has neurological deficit. He had a brain tumor that he came here to remove in the US here. And you realize that since that surgery, his emotional regulation has gone down. There's a structure in the brain. You are in the healthcare and those watching. Amygdala.
Yeah.
I think it's
Yeah.
been affected because that's the structure that regulates your emotions. Ability
Yeah.
to regulate emotions, to react or not react on
Yes.
anything.
I think that's a fight of right. Yeah.
Yes. So he has neurological deficit. In any serious country, he doesn't qualify medically to contest for president. We ignored all these things. His anti-party communication strategy, everything doesn't speak like the. I don't know if that was Elder who was speaking. He's having anti-party sentiment. He speaks as if he's not part of the NPP and he was not part of the previous government. Meanwhile, you are saying that they failed, they looted, and you said that you are the same person who said you appointed all the ministers, because if you said the ministers were appointed in your house, it means that you made the recommendation yourself. So if the people fail, you fail like Kufado. And you come back to insult everybody. You go to campaign and you just start with in attack mode as if somebody. You see, he's fighting shadows. That's not normal. That's it. He needs mental health evaluation. That's it. It's serious. No matter how you look, I'm not doing propaganda. I'm very serious. He needs.
That reminds me of this man that taught us psychiatry.
Dr. Kwalo.
No, the one who expired. His name escaped me. He said, if you're the only one seeing it, then it means there's something wrong somewhere.
Yes.
He reminded me of that.
So he fights shadows because it seems he's seeing things and hearing voices that we don't hear, because you don't go to campaign and you start threatening that you are a man. You are a man. You are not a man. You can't even run. You can't do anything. You don't have any strength to beat anybody or do it. Or you think that my brothers from the north, you are paying them 3,000 to be your bodyguards, will be willing to die for you, and you go and be standing somewhere that nobody is a man because you have money. Money is not everything. It's not always a rate that rule. And you have been consistent, and I said that running a country is different from running cold stores. Kenneth Japan is not even a real businessman. Look, somebody who has won government contracts and enriched himself is not a businessman. That's not business. Or to be a travel, what do you call it? He did you know those days US DV lottery stuff and made some money. That's not self-made business that he should be bragging about. That's not a real businessman to manage to transfer those skills to manage an economy. Where is his office that he sits every day and manage the company as a CEO and make policies? Where? That's not so. We should get serious in this country, and all the people that are following him is because of resentment. You see that from Staker recently that he was supposed to be appointed a finance minister and Dr. Baume gave it to him. It's resentment. It's hate and resentment. They are dissatisfied, envy, exactly. So that's the reason why they are doing it. And I can tell you, their posture shows that if they lose the election, they are going to break away. So delegates, those who love the MPP should not make any mistake. They should reject him at the ballot overwhelmingly. That's the only message that they can communicate to him to let him know that we are not stupid.
Right.
Yeah, I'll force it.
Emre bi no say obi abedi natem e ma nipa kro no kra chire no obe redraw ye be pa ne chew ono nra echi wakogina ho say Kennedy Japan penny the right person or esiso otumi bedi no, he was talking about NDC, not Kennedy Japan. Say NDC eniema omaye yama dollar abafom yama petrol buayefo eduane buayefo
The guy na nsa na.
yes. Yes, such a lame lame excuse to allow a government to come into power. That tells us wutina esisi no eye tontrowa. You have no knowledge. You don't even understand what governance is. Nansu osana boy bin so say your friend watch o se hwana hwane bi. Such an idiot. Ono nso sorry ya. Ono nso be can be. Betre say NDC party ye papa sin MPP. Hey. Sa refraf for na mugu Ghana na muni mu hye no. Kweku menu asefo no. Keep quiet. Because ye mu binum this time yes ye kire mo say ya santu asefo man no. Oma sorry papa.
Yeah.
That is a greater portion of your man ne can so more did that. A man de ye die. Ye be sorry left and right, up and down, north, south, east, west. Near besimu mu de moon training 31st in sine ye doctor nwie. Yenko ye doctor nwie. Na ye doctor ria NDC for mu betimo samia. NDC for ye doctor ria we hu mu betimo dre wo ade a de be ye mo John Mahama. Ha! Wo especially and somehow okay catch na do na wo gina ho say hate speech no, you are going to get a dose of your own medicine. You be more doses of your own medicine. Next time no, so wo na kobe biem na se position bi wo ho a wo ko prayer, you know how to talk. Muhammad and Kawun Fatasa Beba ye president BMO. Na sebi as you put it yourself, no. Who you join funu. But most of Ghanaians name who say who you join funu. And all my dreams so well can so my dreams so no. Who could baby you know how to manipulate them. Boys are bro, now boys way no get job. Boys way they do bet small, way get money small. Then you come and say you taking 10% of their gain. No. Who buy ye and na na woji. So when ye nipa bonia, afiasun, one wish you citizens, anything. Who have a new year ne start ya no taxes and now they be to two or say. Where are some delegates? Mother me hitia enya sem papa inti me pa mo chow. Me koto dwe form. Messi Kennedy Japan is not on to me be flag bearer. No encantam wabebu Ghana my oni nyansa ye dibu on mine. Oni adwenya ye dibu on mine. Physically he's not fit. Health wise he's not fit. Intentional you can say educating wise he's not fit intelligence abono ono kroya nso emotional control zero papa way ene yama ne nkwa he UN no nkwa kamada faka wo ho na Sami Jemfi we remfi wo any journalist for na mo Ghana no propaganda na mo pese mo ye no e de whitewash Sami Jemfi no. You people should be careful. Ye be soja maku mo sa journalist for no. Ye be soja asopa mo ankasa wo Ghana man ye be humo ye be hromo ne ya homo ye ria ya hata mama wa ye twan se refua. Mede Manuesi delegate me pamocho Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Wufi sro ba oda number 3. Wufi formo ba oda number 3. Wuche question non so mienu a onu na bebroso oda mfinfin ho. Enti ye pamocho obia nkotu na abama Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Onfa systems emegu ho. No ombe she digitization no mukina. Ni building. No ombe she digitization no. Okay.